African Clean Energy is a social enterprise with the highest B Corp rating in Europe. We manufacture and distribute the ACE1 hybrid energy system around the world, providing clean energy and connectivity for all. We are currently located in the Netherlands, Lesotho, Cambodia, Uganda, and Kenya. Last year, ACE launched the ACE Connect app, putting our technology at the top of the energy sector. This app allows our customers to view live updates of their loan status with the company, purchase briquettes, and upload the product data usage, allowing us to give our customers the best experience possible. Despite our global achievements, we had not brought the ACE1 into the humanitarian sector. Last year, we did this. Alongside CARE International and the Karabole Research and Resource Center, we were able to enter the refugee settlement for the very first time. We not only entered, but we have shaken up the traditional approach used in settlements. Traditionally, refugees tend to be treated as helpless, meaning they must be given everything for free since there is a perception that they cannot afford to make purchases. In this project, we have not only sold our product to them, we have done so at a cost of 670,000 Ugandan shillings, and this is not subsidized. The 670,000 Ugandan shillings afforded the following package. We have the ACE1 energy hybrid system, a smartphone, a LED light, solar panel, lighting dies, and a 2-year warranty for our customers. The way we did this is by providing an affordable payment plan, which can be made shorter by referring another customer to us. This provides a win-win situation where the company is able to enjoy the benefits of reduced customer acquisition costs, while the refugee is also able to purchase a life-saving quality product.
Ene stove natandika ogikozesa mu mwezi gwe-11 omwaka oguwedde. Wano mu kampu tulina nnyo obuzibu obw'amanda kubanga emiti tetuyina, amanda ge tukozesa gava bweru y'ekampu. Kati ene sigiri ekekereza nnyo amanda. Kati bwemba nga nyina ebaafu emu y'amanda nyinza ogikozesa mu wiikisi 2 nga nkozesa ebaafu emu. Kati awo ndaba okozesa enesigiri kyaba kyangu kunza ate ne ssente nga nkekereza.
Tulianzana walikuwa wanasema juu mimi nilichukua mwaka tulikuwa tunabeba bakastoma kama 9 kwa Kiswahili wote watasikia. Alafu kama unapata wakastoma 9 na hizo pesa zote wanapunguza. Hiyo kitu tena ilisaidia mtu mwenye aliweza kubeba bakastoma bamopi.
The ACE1 can be up to 85% more efficient than traditional cooking methods, reducing money spent on cooking materials and environmental degradation simultaneously. Furthermore, the ACE1 can burn many different types of biomass, including agricultural waste and cow dung. Even better, the ACE1 provides a smokeless cooking experience, reducing on household air pollution.
Sigiri haina shida kwa sababu inasaidia kwa namna nyingi. Unaona, hata ukuwe na umeme wala ukuwe na vingine, lakini hayo kama iko na moto, kwa sababu gisi hayo inapata moto, iko na sola yake. Kama unatia kusola yake moto naingia, basi pale unakuwa na moto ya kutosha kuhusu namna kupika, kuhusu namna ya kutia telefone yako, unasharje telefone, kuhusu na wakati wa giza iko na katala kake, unachomeka tala yake, inakusaidia kwa kukupatia mwanga na huku napika.
Our goal of the video is to capture the many successes of the project, allowing us not only to show what is possible, but also to show others that we can solve one of the humanitarian sector's greatest issues, mass deforestation, using this model.
Matokeo wala kitu kizuri kilikuwa nyuma ya kuanzana na hii, ilisaidia sana kuhusu mazingira. Mazingira, unaona tulikuwa tunatumikisha mkaa sana. Watu wote walikuwa wanatumikisha mkaa na wengine wanatumikisha kuni, lakini hii AC1 wala ACE wakati ilifika kuni zilipunguka, yani kuharibisha mazingira zilipunguka.
We have already created 9 new jobs for both Ugandans and the refugees, and we have an intention of growing this number to more than 15 employees. We also hired a local team to build our kiosk and purchased all goods and services as locally as possible.
Personally, working with ACE has influenced me a lot. I would say I've gained a lot of skills from ACE that is in line with management, how you lead a team of people. The capacity building sessions that we keep on having have really helped me to improve on my skills as a manager, and also how to interact with people, how you plan for a group of people, and that has really been good on my side.
Actually, what I love most about working with ACE is they're empowering the staff and gender equality, which is for all. They create the environment which is available for everybody to practice and gain, because first of all I was at home not doing anything, but the introduction of AC in Kyangwali made me also get that job that make myself to at least reach my goals, and goal in the way of living, goal in the way of getting what to eat, goal in the way of saving my family also, because I have a family.
In just 4 months, we were able to sell 700 units, 490 units to the refugees and 210 to the host community. 511 of the sales came from our referral model, clearly showing the great demand and satisfaction of the ACE1 product.